In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your DSC Glassbreak detector WLS922L-433. This Glassbreak detector is compatible with this panel and requires two 3-volt CR123A batteries, available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the batteries when you see a trouble light displayed on your system keypad and see a low battery message in your ADT Pulse app. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your DSC panel. Next, to access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the Glassbreak cover from its mounted location. To remove the cover, first press down on the side tab to release it. Then, while holding the cover, gently push against the bottom and slide it upward to detach it from the mounting plate. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used batteries. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new batteries. Make sure they're inserted correctly, with the positive ends pointing toward the plus signs inside the device. To reattach the Glassbreak cover, start by holding the cover slightly higher than the mounting plate. Line up the tabs on the back of the cover with the slots on the plate. And once they're aligned, slide the cover down until it clicks in place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your DSC panel and enter your 4-digit user code. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your DSC Glassbreak detector. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.